Hey everybody, just wanted to have a quick chat on suction control valves. Doesn't matter what diesel you've got, Toyota or not, you might want to know about this. Most importantly, before we get started, we have talked about this for decades, the original information and the best. If you want to confirm that, check the playlists. I believe there's one called SCV or suction control valve, and playlist I believe has about 17 videos waffling on about suction control valves, all the information you need including replacing them. And most importantly, not everybody needs to replace their suction control valves, so don't go anywhere yet. That's right, no, not everybody needs to replace them. This is a long type, you can see how long it is. I'm not going to bring a short one into this video. There's plenty in those other videos in the playlist. They're about half the length of that. There's a push type and a pull type. Long story short, to keep it simple, the short one is rubbish. Put it in the comments. The short one is rubbish. This is an old one that either didn't need to be replaced or it was an aftermarket counterfeit copy. Now, in my experience, what I can tell you is we only use the ones that are made in Japan. See at the bottom there? Made in Japan, bada bing, bada boomski. Right now, from that made in Japan information, I can tell you our experience is once it's been replaced with that one, there's no poor man pays twice. Do it once, do it right. You can get them in the brown boxes. A lot of those are counterfeit. Careful where you buy your suction control valve. There's people selling them. They might even believe they're genuine. Some will be genuine. They're made in Thailand. Are they as good? What I can tell you is we use the one made in Japan because they're in vehicles for 20 years and they just bloody work. Why would you go for anything else? No poor man pays twice. Grab one of these at your local Toyota dealer for about $1,000, or you can get one off me for about half that. Express post delivered to your door. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Anyway, not everybody needs to replace it. So stop replacing your suction control valves. If you've already got the long type, not the wrong type. The short one's the wrong type. The long one there is the right type. If you've already got the long one, like what's in the package, then I'm not going to open up that package and risk contamination to it. It's all sealed up. You get everything you need in there, including the conversion kit if you're converting over. If you don't need the conversion kit, I'm going to give you a different suction control valve. We don't do a one job fits all situation. We'll give you the right part for the right job. But you got to be careful because some of the vehicles listing is the Thailand one. Now the Thailand one might be okay, but in my experience, I want the best that's 100%, not 99.9, not even 90, not counterfeit, not bloody remanufactured, not somebody else has been in the box, open it up and put one of these ones. This looks pretty close. You know, I'll just whack this in a box and sell it to you. You know, it doesn't look too bad. It was just sitting over there on the bench. It's probably one of the ones where somebody said, oh, can you replace that for me? And I'm thinking, well, what for? Why? Well, if you want it done, I'll do it. But, you know, you should have watched the videos because once you've got the long one, you don't need to replace it. Stop wasting your money. Who needs to replace it? Okay, on the Toyotas, on the 1KD FTVs, the early ones, 05, 6, 7, 8, they changed, I reckon, in 2008. By about 2009, they all had the long ones. So if you've got a 1KD and it's newer than 2009, have a look, it's probably long. Who else doesn't need to replace it? Okay, if you've ever had a pump replaced, it would have came with a long one because the short ones are problematic. If you're buying a short one, you're wasting money, you're wasting time. They could be faulty brand new out of the box. Just buy the genuine Toyota made in Japan that we have plenty of them here on stock in the shelf. As you can see on the shelf, bada bing, bada boom, express post to you. Just send me the text message. Simple, reliable system. There's no website. Value for money. Sometimes the cheaper options are not always the best. The old poor man pays twice. Stick with genuine Toyota in the red and yellow box. Made in Japan. Thanks for watching. If you want more info, SCV playlist, like I said, 17 videos already there. If you really want to learn about it, get yourself educated and you can listen to more of this waffling there. Thanks for watching. Catch you when you text me for that SCV. Thank you.